bought this. I've only had it about 2 months. I bought it in August. I used it for work and the biffer truck pulled out and hit me.
And guys, there is the damage. So, unfortunately, I may be getting a little bit cold on the way home. You can't open these doors, but the window is broken, but the tint is holding it halfway up. Car drives perfect. Got it in the workshop, guys, and Chris wants to crack straight on with it. Oh, we've got to watch this window on that door panel. Come on, mate, open it. Chris is thinking no B-post damage here.
It's looking good, isn't it?
It is looking very, very good.
There's a little tiny mark there, but that, I think that's all just where that door's impacted it. But
I am going to leave Chris to do all the work. Chris can get them doors off, no problem on his own. He's got a check strap on each door, a plug on the front one, and a couple of bolts. Isn't that going to make a really nice, easier job of that car? Let's get them loaded in the back of the van and have a slow drive home so we completely stripped it. He did just say to me, that B-post looks absolutely fine. The hinges look fine. The only damage is that quarter panel.
if anything has moved, it's possibly bent one of them very much.
So in that little piece excuse me, of time lapse there, guys, you would have seen us trying to line it up. Chris, will you give that headlight a little wiggle? And as you can see, guys, the headlight. So we've got broken lug here, and also this back lug's broken. Only those two are broken. Guys, I've zoomed in a little bit there. With anything second hand, even though these panels were undamaged, you can see the doors are not, but the wing's actually got two bends in it. And one of them is right here, where the wing meets the bumper. Chris had a lot of messing around there with the bracket, but now he's holding that there. As you can see, that's perfect. We've got no issues there at all. And then if you just push that bonnet closed, Chris, that gap now is here, uniform all the way down. So guys, got the front door hung on. He's got a big pair of adjustable spanners.
You filming that?
Yeah, I'm filming it, mate. He's going to bend that down and then just keep measuring. There'd be no point undoing that. It's not going to be able to bend it straight. It's only going to move it up or down. Still out.
Yeah.
That's strong, isn't it?
Yeah.
It may catch on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. We cut that there, guys, because
It's not even on there, it's both of them hinges are too far back.
both of the hinges.
You just quickly while you're filming,
Shut the driver's door,
you'll
get a
have a
huge
massive,
gap.
massive gap. Yeah.
Yes. So them hinges were not only down, but also...
Yeah, but it's more, I'd say it's more the top hinge than the bottom, and as that fully shut, it's that little close out, but yeah, they both need to go forward, don't they?
So yeah, Liam turned up with a window. Chris looked after us and just handed it to me.
I did see that, Rob.
Reckons I'm a window fitter.
I did see that, but
you're sacked.
Sweet. Absolutely sweet.
Thank you very much, Liam. We've now got this watertight and we can park it outside. The only thing left to do is this bit of damage. Chris is just getting out this splash now. And what do you need, mate? I'll get it out. Dent puller.
We're going to need grinder.
Clean all that up.
Yeah, a couple of the air tools off to get that back to metal.
Yep.
Dolly, hammer, dent puller.
Get that pulled out.
That's it, mate.
Let's roll. I've actually been staying out the way. What are you doing? Just the refining little bits now, mate?
Yeah, it's just a little bit at a time,
You've got the shape back there now, though, haven't you?
Yeah.
You've pretty much, well, you've got the damage out now. You're just refining it.
Yeah, just keep. You don't want to overdo it and stretch the panel. That's the thing. So
No.
it's a bit of a.
Would you mind just doing a couple with that? Because people will be interested in watching that. So that basically just welds itself to the panel,
Just
Chris.
spots it on, yeah.
Yeah,
And then pull it and then twist, break
just
it
to
off.
break it off.
Yeah.
Guys, look at that gap. It's perfect all the way. So no messing around there, guys. Chris just panel wiped that off and then got straight on, knocked up some filler. And there we go, guys. All knocked back, and you will see it's a little bit, actually it's a little bit early. We are now ready to prime it, but you will see Chris has already put a bit of primer on there and a guide coat, because ultimately it was damaged on this curve, and this here is actually recessed concave, which is quite a new thing.
This is convex.
That's right.
So where them two meet is it forms this ridge.
Yeah.
So it's quite tricky to get that radius on that.
But you've got that bang on,
I
right?
think so, yeah, I think so now.
Right where you want it.
Fiddling, but yeah.
And just like that, guys, this car is all repaired. The only thing this car requires is paint. Excited and carried away, guys. I completely forgot to show the end product, what Chris had actually done to the car. So that is it now, all complete and finished. It has been at the paint shop for a day. He's got it in here, as you can see. He's primed a couple of bits, but I just wanted to show this. Chris flatted it off and actually got it to that stage so that we could bring it here and it can be done. And you can see he's flattened it off. There was a few marks in the bumper, and he's going to be blending it into the bumper there. He's got to do all that shut, so of course it was made sense to take the door off. that is it guys, completely finished. All lacquered in, all done, and looks incredible. We just left that off that we was going to the car wash, and this is actually 1 year later. We actually kept this car and it is still absolutely perfect and still drives beautiful. Hope you all enjoyed the video.